We're going to use the alternate latch that looks like this. So to get this one off, there's some little tabs right there. We just use a flathead screwdriver. Pop off both sides. And this just rotates. Pops off. I'm going to slide on the alternate collar. There's a wide side here and a smaller side. The wide side goes towards the flat. Just pushes all the way down. Make sure you install it in the correct orientation. Alright, so we have our latch installed. And install it with the 2 screws going vertically. Put the ones in on the back side. Make sure that the locking mechanism is on the inside, obviously. Next, to make things easier for yourself, you're going to want to hand thread screws in a little bit. You're supposed to use a screwdriver. My drill has a little piece of tape here to help from scratching the doorknob. That should be it.